Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For this tutorial, you're going to need 91% rubbing alcohol, paper towels, any brand or any kind will do. You're going to need 2 acrylic cuff bracelets. I purchased these from Hobby Lobby. You're going to need scissors and bling strips. I purchased these from Hobby Lobby and I'm using pink and white. Are you ready, guys? Because I'm ready. Let's hop right on into it. So I'm going to start by actually taking my napkin and dabbing a little bit of alcohol. Not a lot, just a little. And I'm going to start by prepping and cleaning my acrylic cuffs. And I'm actually going to start with the pink bling. So you start off by just aligning the edges of the bling and the cuff together. You're going to pull it around and press firm while you're pulling till you get to the end of it. And I'm just showing you the edge. You're going to take your scissors and just literally snip as close as you can and press. And for the second one, the steps will be literally repeated. And if you want to save your bling like I do, you can put it back onto the backing. Going to take the second one, align, pull, and press. And please be careful with these scissors, guys. They're really sharp and you do not want to cut your hand like I've done 1,000,001 times. Please be careful. All right, there you have it.